think I'm gonna bite it, don't you? I should have bited though. Let's just see, y'all. Hey guys, what's going on, y'all? Feel like some chili dogs tonight. I seen some chili dogs that looked so good. I'm gonna use me some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna use these kosher jumbo hot dogs. They Hebrew national, but they big, they nice. Y'all gotta try them. They're pretty good. We're gonna add a little parsley, a little garlic, a little butter, and we're gonna put them in these buns. And we're gonna try something today. We're gonna make some chili dogs in the oven and just see how they come out, y'all. I just wanna let y'all see this first. I'm gonna wash these hot dogs off real quick, and I'll be back in a minute. We'll see what we got, y'all. This gonna go down. We're gonna go down and see what this tastes like. I seen it on YouTube, and I said, that looked like some good chili dogs. So I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna let y'all see. And y'all subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification button, and tell me what you think, all right? Be back in a minute. Peace. We out of here. I'll be right back. All right, we back, guys. All right, let's just see how this works. Old-fashioned hot dog buns. We're gonna see what happens. Ooh, they fit right. They fit good. All right, what I'm gonna do is, I seen this. And then they pushed them down in there like that, man. They just pushed them down in there. Y'all see that? We're gonna put the hot dogs inside here. We push them down, just like that. All right, I ain't gonna bore you. I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then I'm gonna come right back, all right? All right, guys. I want you to see what I did here. We did them all, got them open. We're gonna put a half a stick of butter. We got 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, we're gonna mix this up. Ooh. All right, y'all, we ain't never did this before. Y'all work with me. This is what we finna do. We mixing that up. And what we gonna do is we gonna coat these dogs buns with the parsley and the butter. We're gonna do them like this first. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh-wee. Man, that's smelling good already, y'all. Man. Yes, yes, yes. We'll get the butter on them good. Ooh, that was just enough butter, y'all. I hope. All right. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 5 minutes, just to let it get a little brown. Let y'all see what it looked like. We're gonna stick that in the oven for 5 minutes, and we're gonna pull it out, and I'll be right back. Ooh. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let's see what happens. We'll be back in about 5 minutes with a brown bun, and then we're gonna put the hot dogs and the cheese and the chili and see what happens. Peace. All right, y'all, we're gonna pull them out. They should be nice and ready. Woo. Nice and buttery buns. Woo-hoo. God, we might have ourselves something here, y'all. All right, guys. We're just gonna put a little chili on the bottom. Let's see how this turned out, y'all. Tell me what y'all think once we finish. We just trying something new. Just playing around, see what happens. Ooh, bring that cheese back. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. We got a little chili at the bottom. Now we're gonna take our hot dog and we're gonna stick it right. I think I gotta cut it, baby. I gotta cut these. They're a little long, so I think we're gonna cut these before we put them in here. We're just gonna take a knife and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna cut about this much off. And then see if they slide right. Oh, perfect. Look, guys, perfect. Oh. I'm gonna measure it. Oh, look at that, y'all. Let me take this one off, guys. Let me see what I'm showing y'all. See that? Oh, there we go. They were a little long. So if you run into that problem, just do like I did. Cut some off and eat them later. we ain't gonna get rid of them now. We might put them on the side, let them heat up too, and eat them with some chips or something. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, y'all. Y'all bear with me. Don't talk about me. We just trying some chili dogs and see how this works. Oh, they fitting right in there. Ooh. All right, then I'm gonna put a little bit more on the top. Look, y'all. We're just gonna put a little bit on the top too. God, look at that. I got 2 cans. I thought I might do it, but well, we'll save one for next time. Cause if this turn out like this, I'm gonna be doing this again. If it turn out anything like it looked, I'm gonna need that other can eventually. I'm gonna need that other can eventually, y'all. I wanna lick this off my finger, but I'll wait to wipe it off. I ain't gonna do it. My wife gonna say, there you go, lick it.
Licking his fingers.
So I'm gonna try to be professional. It's hard to be professional when you got some heat. So we gonna do this professionally. Let me see that. Thanks, baby. I don't know if I should put some cheese on top or wait till after it come out to see what it look like. And I don't want the cheese to melt and give away the good look. Look at that, y'all. Look at that chili dogs who've been walking going down. We're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. And we're gonna see what they come out to be. In the meantime, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna make some French fries to go with them and some cheese fries, and we're gonna see what happens, all right? Let's see what happens. I'm not ready yet. No, I'm not ready. We finna put it in the oven and see, y'all. Hold on. One last time, y'all. Look at that. Let's see what they are. They going down. Chili dog going down. They going in, y'all. They in. All right, I'm gonna put me some grease on. I'm gonna make me some cheese fries, and we'll be back in 25 minutes. Peace. All right, y'all. I almost forgot one little thing. A little more garlic before it goes in, and butter. Yeah. Almost forgot the best ingredients, I think. Mm-hmm. Look like I know what I'm doing, don't it? You watch out, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. It look good, though. All right, that was it. They said I forgot to put a little more butter on it before I put it in there. All right. Going back, y'all seen all that. It's just going back in the oven. We'll be back in a minute. Peace. All right, y'all. Want my chili dogs in the oven, getting right. I'm going to make some homemade fries, but I'm going to turn them into cheese fries. Yes, I am. We like fries around here, y'all. Especially homemade fries. Ooh-wee. The big juicy ones, too. Ain't nothing like big juicy fries. Yes, yes, yes. All right, y'all. I'm gonna cut these up. I'm just letting you see how I cut them. And I'll be back in a minute. The moment of truth. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Look at that, y'all. Look at them chili dogs in the oven. Y'all see them? Y'all see them? Let me get you close. I want to get close. Look at them chili dogs. Look at that. I'll put some cheese on the top of them right now. Hold on. So I'll put cheese on later.
That cheese put it on now.
Watch this, y'all. I'm gonna cheese half of them because I don't want to take the look away until I do my, I'll cheese them later. I just want to put them on there so they can get married. We still got to do our thumbnail and all that, y'all. So we just got to wait. But let me just show you. You know how I do it. Sauce, no sauce. Cheese, no cheese. You pick which one you want. Pick which one you want. I'm going to get one of each. There we go. Chili dogs going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, y'all. Look at here. I'm finna put some fries on and cheese them up. I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank y'all for watching. Fries going down. We got the fries going down in the grease. Caught it. Ooh, ooh, fast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo, look at that. We're going to put some cheese on them suckers next to these right here. Wait to see, y'all. Wait to see. Ooh, I'm so hungry, too. I'm so hungry. Ooh, I'm so hungry. I'm going to let it warm off before I slice it because they're still a little hot. And I want to slice it in the right spot. I think it might be working out all right. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, there we go. It's slicing good. Ooh-wee. Mm-hmm. Let me see something, y'all. See if I can get one out of here. Look at that, y'all. Y'all think I'm gonna bite it, don't you? Now you gotta wait for the fries. Just take a look. All right, cool. I should have bited those. Where to play that? Hand me a sausage. Let's just see, y'all. We got a bunch of them. Ooh-wee. Let's just see what happens. We got toasted bread, we got cheese, and we got chili. And a nice hot dog. Look at that there. Y'all want to see? Look at it. Look at it, y'all. I just had to do it, y'all. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get some fries. We're gonna come back. Turned out great. We first time trying it. We didn't know what was gonna happen. Y'all see it for yourself. Try it yourself at home. Beautiful. Got me licking my lips. All right, love y'all. Peace. We out of here. All right, y'all. I think we did all right. Check my cheese fries out. Came all right. Look at that, y'all. Chili dog came out great. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to smash this. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, and hit your notification button for the next banger. We did it. We pulled off another one. Me and him and Miss Franklin, we doing it. Y'all, I hope y'all like this video. It is really good. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but we did okay. And we got chili dogs going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Peace. We out of here.